Here on Google, you want to search for YouTube TV and then open this tv.youtube.com. You can just click on it. And then if you are not signing in or signing up yet, you can just scroll down a bit. And then right here on the See All Channels, on your zip code, you want to type in your area zip code. For example, if you live in Los Angeles, you can type in the zip code for Los Angeles and then click on Submit. And then right here, you will see all the channels that was available on the Los Angeles area. And you can also check on the locals, the sport channels, news, and then so on. But if you do have your account for YouTube TV, you can just click on sign in right here at the top right of your screen and then insert your email and password to log into your Google account. And then here, after you signing in, you can just click on the live button at the top of your screen beside home button. You can just click on it. And then here you can see all of the channel list that was available in your area. And if you don't have any account with YouTube TV and Google and want to sign up, I'll leave the link in comment section about how to sign up to YouTube TV. And that's how to see YouTube TV channel list or line up. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.